Power tools use many ball bearings to allow various components to rotate. Over time, a ball bearing will wear and begin to fail. A bearing that is failing will usually give warning, often with a squeaking or a squealing sound. Replacing a ball bearing is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the shoe from the saw. Now remove the motor brushes. Now remove the boot. To make it easier to remove the boot, I'll tighten up the screws that secure the shoe. Now I can pull the boot away from the tool. Now remove the screws that secure the gearbox to the tool. There's one more screw located inside the gearbox. And now I can remove the armature. With the armature removed, I'll use a bearing separator to remove the bearing. I'll place the separator over the jaws of my vise, and I'll use a pointed punch and a hammer to remove the armature. I'll place the punch in the hole on the end of the armature, and then tap the armature away from the bearing. Now I can install the new bearing. The metal shield goes towards the commutator, and I'll use a socket about the same size as the inner race to tap the bearing into place. Now reinstall the armature back into the field and secure it in place with the screw. And now I'll reinstall the gearbox. Now reinstall the boot. And I'll reinstall the brushes. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the shoe. I'll loosen the screws again. I'll slide the shoe back into the housing and tighten up the screws. And that's all it takes to replace the ball bearing in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.